Alright, we are playing Jurassic World. This is freaking awesome. Now we have to wait, which is retarded. This is shit. Alright, we are done. Welcome to Jurassic World. We have to wait, which is shit. Okay. Get ready for closer adventures. There's shit. Evolve and fuse new dinosaurs? Wow. And use resources you collect to cross parkers. But you'll have to fight to reach the top. What about you? Shut the fuck up. Blue, bite your fucking... Hand off, alright? You dead. You dead. Okay? Alright, this shit is about to start. I waited for an hour. Select your age. Well, I'm a fucking teenager, alright? I'm a teenager. Let's continue. I'm a teenager, alright? I see that T-Rex skull on the Jurassic World sign, the game sign, or whatever. I don't know. And we have some flying creatures over here. And down there, if you see down there, we have some herbivores. Yeah, sure, herbivores. When's it starting? God damn. Scrubbing the dinosaurs? What the fuck? Scrubbing the dinosaurs. I don't think it's supposed to say it. And we'll just wait until it's done. Okay, here we go. Alright. Okay. Alright. What's that? Oh shit, it's a T-Rex! It's a T-Rex! Oh Jesus, damn son! T-Rex? I don't like T-Rex. Oh, actually it's a Majungasaur. Why do I get to have a freaking Triceratops? This arena project needs aggressive canvas. Okay. You sure your girl has what it takes? Don't listen to us. Just focus on your Triceratops. Charge attack, okay, fine. Even though a Triceratops is no match for a freaking Majungasaurus. What you gonna do? Hey, what you gonna do? Hey, you gonna do nothing. Actually, you gotta do something. Boom, bitch. I'm gonna be dead. Not good. We can't take another hit like that. But now we've got 2 action points. This time, charge the block with an action point and charge attack with the other one. Okay, and I hope this works. Boom. 9 damage, that sucks ass. Legit sucks. What's he gonna do? Go for 2? Oh shit, I'm dead. My Triceratops fucking asshole. Alright, that's enough. We'll analyze data we have so far. Come back. We'll come back. Because my Triceratops is too weak. Come on, like, there's no way my Triceratops can beat the Majungasaur. I know of a training chest that might be able to help us in the arena. First, let's pay your dinosaur a visit. Okay, let's pay him a visit. Now we're gonna beef up that trike of yours. Beef, fuse. Wait, what the? The chef general is Dr. Wu. I heard you're looking to generate much for us. I can help you with that. But 2 individuals ready to evolve, we can combine them to enough extent of Triceratops. Isn't Dr. Fu evil? Like, didn't he make the Indominus Rex? What the fuck are you doing here, man? You almost killed us all. You made the Indominus. Damn, son. Now that we have an engine strike, we'll head back to the arena. Alright, Owen, whatever you say. Let's get in, Owen. Even Even though I still think there's no way we can freaking beat a Majungasaur. Back for more, huh? You sure are glutted for punishment. I got an idea. Charge reserve. It'll come in handy next time. Why don't you shut up? You Blue bite your hand off, alright? Just like Blue bite your hand off, huh? This Triceratops is... yeah, do nothing. Yeah, this is pretty much shit. Tapping on reserve saves us an action point. Now we've got a bigger advantage. Hit it with everything you've got. Alright, Triceratops, if you fail me, I'm gonna fucking hate you. Alright, good. That's right. You win. Why do I hear still Majungasaur? Isn't he freaking dead? Damn, son. Ugh, what a surprise. You can teach an old beast new tricks. Yeah, you won fair and square. Just don't let it get in your head. What about you shut up, Blue, bite your hand off, alright? I knew you could do it. Name's Owen Grady. By the way, you're gonna do just fine here in Jurassic World. Thanks, and second of all, I already watched the movie, so I know your freaking name. Alright? Okay, I got my Jungosaurus. It's beat up for free, yeah? Heck yeah, bitch. Alright, collect him. Here he is. My Jungosaur. Alright, we're gonna place him. Over there. What's he got? I don't know, he's level 1. Damn, son, we've been monitoring your progress and you show potential. Claire, daring. Claire, really, bro? I'll be helping you manage the park. Let's get down to the business. What about you watch your nephews, Claire? Damn, son. Okay, let's collect that. Ooh, level 2. A mystery pack, okay. Food, DNA, cash, and a Trophaganthus. The Trophaganthus is now available in the market. Let's go and check it out. Alright, Owen, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's hatch this beast boy. Bro, you really have to spend the goddamn it? I hate you, game. Here we have the Trophaganthus. Let's place him over here. Hello, boy. Wait, I just... what the wait. Whatever. A mystery pack. Hey. Food, DNA, coin, and another Triceratops. Really, bro? What do you want? Complete Battle Stage 2? Yeah, I'll do that later. I'm in the middle of feeding my dino. Oh, okay. Okay, got it. Okay. Give me the gun. Gimme. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm not buying this stupid VIP. Alright, hello, Mr. Majungasaur. Guys, I ain't buying VIP. I'm playing the game fair, alright? I can try again. See them. There we go. Free. Damn, son. Did that free? We got it free. Damn, son, we don't have any more. Sucks. Better search too. Oh, yeah, okay. Also, herbivore. Okay, we're going for Triceratops then. Damn, son. Trophaganthus, what the freak are you doing inside? And whoever that is, I don't know who that is. Alright, so we got Triceratops versus a Lancorn. We're gonna go ahead and reverse. Play 2 bonus. Okay. Goes from 1 attack. Boom. Not a lot of damage, bitch. Okay, he has an reserve. I'm gonna go full on attacks. 1 block will just to kill him. Bitch, you out. Heck yeah. You're out. Mr. Triceratops wins again. And then we see Trophaganthus on the picture and whoever other dinosaurs. Congratulations. You're welcome, game. You're welcome. Oh, Link, well, I unlocked you. Okay, good. I'm gonna hatch you. You go hatch over there. Okay. Mission completed. Okay, Vic. How much am I going to level 5 for her? Okay, I already did that. Oh, level 3, damn, son. Battle stage 3, right? Mystery pack, coins, cash, DNA, and food. Okay. And some loyalty points. Heck yeah. Alright. No, I said I don't. God damn it. Alright, what do you want? Okay. Buy and place an IQ security office. Okay. Place over there and buy a... Better wear protection if you plan on being outside today, or you might be sorry. Episode 1. Yeah, I would figure that out by myself, bro. Alright, Owen, what you got? Collect 50 coins from dinosaurs? Damn, Triceratops, thanks. Okay, name Zoe and Grady. The production are in place, but there's still a lot to do. Visit the forum is rising, so this is a good time. What the fuck just clock 200? Hey Donna, how are you on? Don't worry about the thing, Claire. I'll contact the builders and have them send for an extra crew right away. Good. With them, I want to be sure this gets done in a timely manner. Expand the park, yeah, I already did that. Collect that. Done in record time. Now we can focus on why we're here. To care for the creatures. Okay. We're level 4, our new expansion. Alright, mystery pack. Food, DNA, food, and Lemnoscillus? I'm gonna say Lemnoscillus. And some loyalty points. Okay. I'm gonna expand. I'm just gonna expand over there. Got another mission. Look at your dinos. They are so skinny. This is not good. We must train them and make them stronger, you know. Fat. He's not skinny, he's fat. Alright, what do we have here? We need you. We need Mr. Triceratops. Which he's gonna... Oh. Let's start. Harry Potter. Mr. Harry Potter. Harry Potter is here for the propagandas. Okay, stop. Let me just stop calling him Harry Potter because that's like really freaking stupid. I'm just gonna go. Damn, son. What are you gonna do now, huh? What are you gonna do now? Go someone. Oh, damn it. That hurt my feelings, you know that? Stupid asshole. That hurt my feelings, bro. You know that hurts my feelings. So die, bitch. Damn it, son. Olenqua, hey boy. You know we're both flying creatures, so calm down. Ah, yeah, he's mad. We're not becoming friends. This game's not about friends. Wow. Here comes Mr. Triceratops. Go on 4. It comes, come on. Boom. Olenka goes down. Good. We win. Victory's ours, bro. Victory's ours. Then we have Trafalgar's on the picture. Then we do congratulations. We unlocked Mr. Lemnoscellus. I think that's his name, Lemnoscellus. Yeah, I think there's Lemnoscellus. No, I'm not watching that. Speed up for free, okay. Alright, we got a Olenqua. Here we go, bitch. You're going over here. Do we have another dinosaur? No. Triceratops. Speed up for free. Come on, bitch. my wait. Alright. No, you stupid. Go to the market. Hatch you. And I don't care about $10. Hatch you. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So, bye. Yeah.